So I'm walking out while it's raining, and it may seem a little weird, but ironically, this type of weather is so therapeutic to me. Pink plumerias, aren't they the most beautiful? Oh, although kind of really sad seeing them just laying down there on the floor or ground. Well, just made it to Palatial Hotel, and I'm completely unbothered by the fact that I'm soaking wet. But at this point, I could really care less that I'm wet. I more care about the fact that I did not eat the fucking floor. And it hasn't happened to me so far, so thank God. And here we go. Palatial. Well, there's wrong, but we're going to the next door neighbor, which is WCTC. And kind of weird that whenever I ask for something, WCTC so happens to have the item that I want. A little weird. I know there are gonna be tons of people just gonna look at me and point, "Oh my god, you're wet." And I was like, yeah, thanks for pointing that out. Okay, so I just finished window shopping. Unfortunately, when it comes to WCTC, they're very strict when it comes to cameras in the store. But anyway, they have a little GoPro, like the lit GoPro thing. It's $445, like around that estimation. And I think I'm gonna save up for that GoPro, because there's just something about it. But if WCTC so happens to be ordering like Insta 360s, then I don't mind getting those either. Back home, just resting around in the front porch. I will get that Insta 360 Ace Pro 2 if it's the last thing I'll do. Look at these dorks. Hello, sleepy dorks. Yeah, these two stink. And of course, it would be, you know, common sense to wash them, but considering that they live outside, they're just gonna be stinky again within like 30 minutes after showering, so no point in trying to wash these dogs.